think Abby and I are going for another ice cream. Can I get a small cinnamon roll center blizzard?
A small cinnamon roll blizzard?
Yes.
Is that everything?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Okay, so it'll be $6.20 at the window, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's not that much difference between small and medium. Are you staring at me? How are you?
Good, how are you? So
Good.
it'll be $6.20, please.
Visa? Awesome. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye now. What's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. I have a cinnamon roll centers blizzard, and I think she wants a little bit. So I tried the pumpkin one the other day, and it was delicious. I loved it. Holy mackerel. You know, this one's pretty good too. Oh, she drooled on me. It's not bad. I get the cinnamon, but it tastes kind of, it doesn't taste strong enough. Okay, the pieces in there taste like cinnamon also, but they're kind of soggy. Abby approved. Okay, well, did I like it? Yeah, it was all right. It wasn't spectacular. I like the pumpkin pie one better. The cinnamon could have been a little stronger. Same with the pieces of cinnamon roll. Like, it could have been a little more flavor. Overall, it was good. Would I get it again? Probably not. And I'll tell you, for a small, it was a little expensive. But still, there was a lot of ice cream there. And I thought, last one I got was a medium. I got a small. I might try a tiny one next time. Anyway, guys, that's about it. We're going to go for a little walk. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.